the grind, the fire inside. Island pride, we rise, we don't hide. This is for the ones who dream, who fight. Island blood, we bring the light. I'm up before the sun, dreams heavy on my mind. Fam on my back, yeah, I'm one of a kind. No 9 to 5 can hold me, I'm carving my own lane. A vision so clear, no time to complain. They told me play it safe, keep your head down low, but I'm aiming for the stars where the trade winds blow. Grinding every day like the waves on the reef. Can't break this warrior, I'm built on belief. Forget the doubts, leave fear in the past. Life's a journey, not a sprint, but I'm built to last. The dream's alive, I can feel it so near. Island grind, no room for fear. Dream big, grind hard, never look back. Every setback's a setup, keep your life on track. Use your mind, find the grind, push past the tears. The dream life's coming, it's closer than it appears. Stay focused, don't stop, keep your vision clear. We don't fear failure, only standing still here. Dream big, grind hard, that's what we're about. Island vibe, hustle, no time for doubt. Yo, excuse me, but I'm breaking the mold. This ain't the rat race, I'm chasing pure gold. My ancestors sailed the seas with stars in their sight, so why should I settle for anything like thinking outside the box? I'm building my reign, entrepreneur.